Hello, guys. Today we're going to work on a different example with a different question. Today, that's Nick, who was the brother of Samsyom and the grandson of Shuriya. That guy came up with a different question. His question this time was that what is what is the lowest, the smallest, or lowest common number that that divides. No, is it, does it divide? No, that is divisible. That is divisible by 24 and 18. Okay. So then Shom came up with an answer. She said that let's try to find out what are the numbers which are divisible by 24 and divisible by 24, which is the number, what are the numbers which are divisible by 24 and divisible by 18, okay? So what are the numbers which are divisible by 24? 24 is divisible by 24, 48 is divisible by 24, 72, I'm adding 24 every time. You see, 24 times 1, 24 times 2, 24 times 3, 24 times 4, blah, 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 24 times 5, 24 times 6. So she came up with the numbers and she saw that those are the numbers which are divisible by 24. How about the numbers which are divisible by 18? So they are 18, 18 times 2, 18 times 3, 18 times 4, 18 times 5, 18 times 6, 18 times 8. How much is it? So 108, 26, blah, blah, blah. Okay. And then 18 times 9, 144, blah, blah. And now she sees that, 144 is here and here as well. Also 72 is here and here as well. Probably we will be able to find some more numbers, but we are looking for lowest common number that is divisible by those two. What is the lowest one? So for example, 24 is pretty low. Is it common? Can we see 24 in this 18 side? No, we can't. Can we see 48 in this side? No, we can't, but we can see 72 here and here. Then that's why the lowest common number that is divisible by 24 and 18 is so lowest common number that is divisible by 24 and 18 is 72. Okay? Then Shuriya says that, what the hell is Nidat? LCNTIDB. And Nijat said that, oh, it is lowest common number that is divisible by. And Shuriya was that, oh, what the hell are you talking about, man? Make it little shorter. And they decided to write it as lowest common multiple. Instead of writing that is divisible by, they call it lowest common multiple. Then Shuriya said that lowest common multiple of 24 and 18 is 72. But as you can see, this is a very long method of finding them out. Then Shuriya said that I came up with smaller method, with easier method. Easier method, as you remember, Shuriya always has steps. First step was again doing a prime factorization. First step is he says that do prime factorization first. Okay, if you're gonna find LCM, or as in the previous video HCF, always do prime factorization. Okay, second step, again circle common numbers, common factors, and we will see what the third step is. Okay, so again, remember the prime factorization of 24 and 18. So it was like for 24, we got 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. Good. For 18, 2, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. That's it. It was the first step, done. Second step, circle common factors. So 2, is it common here and here? Yes, it is. So we're going to circle it. 2, is it common? No. 2, is it common? No. 3, is it common? Yes, we're going to circle it. That's it. We're done. So, and then he said, take any of those two numbers, any of those numbers, and multiply it multiply it by non-circled numbers, non-circled numbers on the second guy. What do you mean? It means let's do it one by one. Take any of those numbers. Okay, we're gonna take 18 or 24, right? Let's say 24. We took 24. And we will multiply this 24. So let's multiply it. We're going to multiply it by non-circled numbers of the second guy. We took 24, so the second guy is 18. Okay, we're going to multiply 24 by the non-circled guys on 18. What? There is only one non-circled guy in 18. You see, this 2 is circled, this 3 is circled, but this 3 is not circled. So we're going to multiply it by non-circled one. So LCM will be equal to 24 times 3, which is 72. Let's take the other number. For example, we can also take, this should also be 18, right? This should also be 72, the same thing, according to Shuria's definition. So we're going to take any of those numbers. So this time, that time we took 24. So this time we will take 18. We will multiply 18 by non-circled guys on the second number. Now our second number is 24. So we're going to multiply 18 by non-circled numbers in 24. So what are the guys which are not circled in 24? You see these two and these two. There are two twos. So you see 2 and 2, these two and these two. They are not circled. So we multiply 18 by those numbers. So it will be 18 times 2 times 2, again, 72. So you see, so that means lowest common multiple of 72, 24 and 18 is indeed 72. Bye-bye. See you on the next lecture.